my name is Jessica. I'm here to teach you phrases about flight. Welcome aboard, let's prepare for takeoff. Please ensure your seatbelt is fastened. We're cruising at a comfortable altitude. The weather looks clear for our flight today. We'll be landing shortly, so please prepare. Thank you for choosing to fly with us. Our flight time today is approximately 2 hours. We're ready for departure. Sit back and relax. You'll experience a smooth ride today. We're cleared for takeoff. Enjoy the flight. Please stow your tray tables and electronic devices. We're beginning our descent now. You'll feel a slight bump during landing. It's normal. The skies are clear. Expect a beautiful view. We'll be flying over the mountains. Enjoy the scenery. The cabin crew is here to assist you. We're flying at an altitude of 35,000 feet. The temperature outside is well below freezing. It's a calm day for flying, no turbulence expected. Our destination is just ahead, we'll be there soon. You can expect a smooth landing today. Flying is one of the safest ways to travel. Please sit back and enjoy your journey. We're expecting some light turbulence, nothing to worry about. We're on schedule, we'll arrive on time. The view from the cockpit is incredible today. You'll feel a slight incline as we climb higher. The engines are performing perfectly. The flight crew is here for your safety and comfort. We're taking a direct route to our destination. We're in communication with air traffic control. The skies are calm, perfect flying weather. We'll be flying over the ocean. Take a look below. It's always exciting to soar through the clouds. You'll feel the wheels retract after takeoff. Our final approach is just minutes away. The landing gear is down. We're almost there. Please prepare for landing by returning to your seat. Flying gives you a unique perspective of the world. The airport is in sight. We'll be landing soon. We'll taxi to the gate once we've landed. It's been a pleasure flying with you today. The runway is clear for our arrival. It's a great day for flying. The skies are clear. You'll hear the engines throttle down as we approach. We're flying into clear skies. Enjoy the view. We're in for a smooth landing, no worries. Flying high above the clouds is always a thrill. We're approaching the airport now. We'll be landing soon. We're getting ready for a smooth takeoff. Flying gives you a whole new view of the world. Our cruising altitude today will be 30,000 feet. Sit back and enjoy the smooth ride ahead. We're about to land, so please fasten your seatbelts. We're climbing to a higher altitude for a smoother flight. The flight crew will assist you with any needs. Look out the window for a great view of the city below. The flight path today takes us over the mountains. Please stay seated until the plane has come to a full stop. The engines are running smoothly as we prepare for takeoff. We'll have a short delay before reaching the runway. Prepare for some light turbulence as we climb. It's a beautiful day to fly, with clear skies ahead. We're now flying over the coastline. Enjoy the view. You'll feel a slight change in altitude as we adjust for a smoother ride. Flying gives you the freedom to explore the world. We'll be touching down in just a few moments. The sky looks perfect for a safe flight today. Our destination is now in sight. We'll experience a gentle descent as we approach the airport. The cabin crew will begin preparing for landing. It's always exciting to take off into the sky. We're right on schedule for an on-time landing. The runway is clear, and we're ready for takeoff. We'll be flying over some stunning landscapes today. Let's make sure all seatbelts are fastened before we lift off. You can now relax as we cruise through the skies. The seatbelt sign is on as we prepare for a smooth landing. We're at cruising altitude, and the flight is going smoothly. Look out the window and enjoy the beautiful horizon. Our next destination is just a short flight away. Flying high above the clouds gives you a sense of freedom. The pilots are guiding us through perfect weather conditions. As we descend, you'll feel a slight change in cabin pressure. It's time to get ready for landing, so keep your seatbelt fastened. Enjoy the journey, and we'll be landing shortly. The captain has turned off the seatbelt sign, so you're free to move around. We're flying at a steady speed and should arrive on time. The wings give us the lift we need to soar through the sky. As we approach the airport, please remain seated. The thrill of takeoff never gets old. The journey in the sky is always full of wonder. This is your captain speaking, and we're clear for landing. We're now gliding smoothly through the air. The world looks so small from up here. Flying allows us to connect people across the globe. Prepare for a gentle touchdown as we approach the runway. It's been a pleasure having you on board today. It's been a wonderful journey flying with you today. We're making great time, with smooth skies ahead. The view from up here is breathtaking. Fasten your seatbelt as we prepare for takeoff. We'll be cruising at high altitude for the majority of the flight. We're about to descend, so please stay seated. The beauty of flying is seeing the world from above. We're on final approach to the runway. It's amazing how quickly we can travel by air. The cabin pressure will adjust as we gain altitude. The flight attendants are here to ensure your comfort. We'll be passing through some light turbulence shortly. Sit tight, and we'll be landing soon. You'll notice a slight dip in altitude as we prepare to land. Enjoy the peace and quiet of the flight. The engines are performing perfectly for a smooth journey. Please stow your tray tables as we approach landing. It's incredible how fast we can reach new destinations by air. The sky's the limit when you're flying. Let's prepare for a comfortable descent. Thank you for flying with us today. Bye, and kindly watch our other videos.